I'm Drewbinsky, and I'm going to show you how they make ice cream in Thailand. When it comes to desserts, few places are more innovative than Thailand. They have essentially invented a new concept of ice cream called ice cream rolls.
Oh, so gracefully. I'm just moving myself in slow motion. I'm so used to it.
It can be found in any street food market around the country, like right here in Chiang Mai. The cooking process is almost as enjoyable as the delicious taste. Step number 1, place your order. I'm picking my flavor now. There's so much to choose from.
Yeah, this is a strawberry, Kit Kat.
Sawadee. Number 3, yogurt, banana and mango. Step number 2, watch them pour a milk-based liquid onto a freezing cold metal disc or an ice grill. Step number 3, take a spatula and spread the oozing liquid around the surface, kind of like making a crepe. Step number 4, after the ice cream hardens, use the spatula to cut thin strips rolled up into a cigar-like shape. Step number 5, assemble the strips neatly into a cup and add any topping of your choice. Step number 6, devour. Cheers. Oh yeah, I just realized how gross it is to cheers ice cream, but it doesn't matter. It's actually really cheap. For 2 ice creams, it's only $6, so $3 each. Thailand's ice cream rolls is where entertainment meets dessert, and it would almost be a crime not to try it on your next trip to the land of smiles.
Certainly.
Oh, if we got the dance, that means that it's really good. Second one. Wait, where's my drone? It was just right there.
Drew, I got it.
Oh my god, you scared the shit out of me.
Sorry, man.
Wait, hold on.
It's safer.
Oh man, thank you. I'm Drewbinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world. It's electric, it's sexy, it's tasty, it's confusing, but above all, it's futuristic. The Japanese are innovators. They somehow figured